Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW Z4 service light. First, turn your ignition to position 1. Do not start the engine. You should see the dashboard lights illuminate. Next, find the odometer reset button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds until a service symbol appears on the display, indicating entry into the service menu. Once a service symbol appears, release the odometer button for just a moment. Then, press the button again to cycle through the different service items, such as oil service, brake fluid, or microfilter. Continue pressing until the specific service item you wish to reset is displayed on your screen. This ensures you are resetting the correct reminder. With your desired service item displayed, press and hold the odometer button once more. Keep holding it until the word "Reset" appears on the screen. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it again for about 5 to 10 seconds. The display will then show the new service interval or a confirmation that the reset is complete. After the reset is confirmed, turn off your BMW Z4's ignition completely. Then, restart the car to ensure the service light has been successfully cleared. Double-check your dashboard to confirm the service reminder is no longer illuminated. If it reappears, simply repeat the steps. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.